Hey guys, it's Curry Gaming, back again with another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing, and today I went to Target and I found two more Mix 3 Double Down Showdown packs that I wanted in my collection, and the two I got today were Ice Cream Man versus Monster Mutt, and Radical Rescue versus Earthshaker. The one we're going to start with is Radical Rescue and Earthshaker. Alright, so the first one we're going to review is Earthshaker. The camera I don't think would catch it, but this is supposed to be a different shade of yellow color all over the truck. Looks really cool. Even the dirt painted on it is different, so that's really cool, and the yellow rims are really cool. Kind of matches the color of the truck, which is really awesome. I like that. Yeah, so that's Earthshaker. Here is Spin Master's version of Radical Rescue. Now, when I first saw that this was coming out, I noticed like he was using the same body as the Mattel Radical Rescue, and then I realized that this is a felled body. So Radical Rescue, if it ever comes back as a real truck, it might use this body. Yeah, so it's got yellow rims. It's got a different grill this time, which looks a lot better, and I like that the body is a lot wider. The logo is different on the Spin Master Radical Rescue. The tailgate is wider, which is nice, and they actually painted. These aren't painted in; these are actually molded. The tail lights, they put ladders on it. Ladders on it, which is really nice. Then the fire truck horn. Yeah, so very cool. I think this version of Radical Rescue is way better than the one made by Mattel. So yeah, props to you, Spin Master. I love it. And then the next one, and then the next and final double pack I'm going to unbox is the Monster Mutt versus Ice Cream Man, which is probably my favorite that I got today. Alright, actually, let's save Ice Cream Man for last. Let's start with Monster Mutt. Okay, this looks really cool. I'm glad to have all three of the Monster Mutts now from the Spin Master lineup. This Monster Mutt is really cool. I love these red rims, these chrome red rims. Those look really awesome. I think they did that to match the collar and the tongue, and I think maybe a little bit of the gums. Ooh, and the teeth are 3D. That is super cool. It's got a longer tail, and the ears are different. This is probably one of my favorite castings for Monster Mutt. I love it. It's super cool. I also like the tan chassis to match the fur. That is awesome. Yeah. I might get the regular version as well. I kind of plan on doing it. I kind of plan on doing so. But yeah, that is awesome. I love this Monster Mutt. And then last but not least, we have probably my favorite of the four I got today, Ice Cream Man. This thing is a beauty. The hood is a lot wider and nicer, which is nice. They actually printed the grill, which is super nice. I feel like they could have put RAM on the bottom here, but that's okay. This is already a good truck. They printed the headlights, which is really cool. This Ice Cream Man has blue rims. I don't know if the camera will catch that. Oh, there we go. that's really cool because that's what Roy Pridgeon now runs on his Ice Cream Man truck. It says caution right there. Caution children. I don't know if you can see it. It also says the same thing on the front. Ice Cream Man. The top is really cool. They are missing one thing on the top, which is the Amelie Motor Oil sponsor, but I think they'll add that maybe in the singles release, or maybe next year they'll fix that. I'm glad they didn't split the window like they did on the Mattel version. That was just really stupid. Yeah, this Ice Cream Man is like totally better. I'm just really excited to have this. And the tailgate's the same, but wider. I like these 3D bumps. That's really cool. And there's your ice cream selection there. That's insane. This truck is a beauty. I love it. Yeah, so those were the 4 new trucks that I got today. I'm super excited to add them to the collection. These 4 will make their debut in Sign Up Series 4. Yeah, so if you're looking to pick these trucks, feel free. Yeah. I don't know when I will make the signups video. Probably tomorrow or Thursday. I don't know. I'll just see what happens basically the rest of the week. But yeah. All right. Yeah. So that's really cool. Yeah. All right, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.